do a close-up zoom so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, look where I'm holding it. Look how I'm holding it. Look where it's at in my fingers. Am I holding it here like this? Or am I holding it back here like this? And do I have this down at an angle like that so it will go down inside, or is this out here like that? I want it down. It's going to go down inside the hole. Okay, and look where it is on my finger, right back here by this, where my finger joint is. Down in the hole. This part of my hand is touching, all right? And then the back part of my hand and the side of my thumb muscle is holding. Then I position my hand so my fingers are now straight. We go forward. And if you notice, I pulled this really slow and it went slow. And it's straight. Now, you can pull this fast, you can pull this trigger quick, it's going to go fast. You can pull this trigger slow and it will go slow. I'm holding it, I'm not even pushing down anymore. And it's just spinning very slowly. And it's where I want it to be, is watch it fall inside. Now, I'm holding down here at the bottom. Right there, I kind of put this drill bit on my finger at an angle so it will be straight up and down. It goes here. I want to squeeze here and here. Now, we're going to open this up all the way. Alright, now. Okay. Now I can move my finger. See my finger? Way back like this. I can put it here, I can put it here, I can put it here, I can put it anywhere I want. So I put it where it's comfortable on my finger. Where I'm holding it's comfortable. That's why I'm holding it there. My finger could be here, but that would be really uncomfortable. It feels awkward. I could go like this. But that's awkward. So I put it where it feels comfortable. Grab it here, grab it there, pinch it. Okay, hold this in the center now. Push it forward. And it grabs it on the side. Now, hold it in the center. There it is. Now, reverse. Now I'm going to do it slowly. I'm just going to slowly turn it. Hold it straight. It'll grab. See, and it grabbed. And that's how you want to do it now. I want you to see